It is no surprise that businesses have embraced social media, which has become a fundamental part of our lives. Social media allows businesses to connect with a vast audience, form customer bonds, and boost brand recognition. However, what is the distinction between social media marketing and social media management? Both tactics play an integral part in your company's digital approach. This video will explore the differences between social media management and social media marketing and how you can use both. Social media management and social media marketing. Social media management and marketing are two distinct but related activities businesses should consider when creating an online presence. Social media management focuses on creating and managing content for your business's social media accounts, such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and more. On the other hand, social media marketing is focused on selling your brand in the best feasible way. The benefits of social media management. Social media management allows businesses to post organic content to their social media channels free of cost. This is a fantastic way to reach out to more audiences, as the traffic gained is free, and there is no need to invest in paid ads. Moreover, social media management helps understand the perfect time for posting relevant posts and crafting visuals that complement the content. This helps create engagement on the platform, which can lead to greater reach and visibility. The benefits of social media marketing. Social media marketing effectively reaches out to potential customers interested in your business's products or services. This can be done through campaigns, ads, and targeting specific audiences. Digital marketers will analyze data to determine which platforms are the most effective for reaching your target customers. They will also develop strategies to maximize the impact of these campaigns. The difference between social media marketing versus social media management. The difference between social media management and marketing lies in their respective strategies. The former focuses on developing and implementing a short-term approach, while the latter is more concerned with maintaining a business's online presence. The difference between social media management and marketing lies in their respective strategies. The former focuses on developing and implementing a short-term approach, while the latter is more concerned with maintaining a business's online presence. What are the disadvantages of social media marketing? Despite the many benefits of social media marketing, there are also some potential drawbacks. One of the main disadvantages is that it can be time-consuming and requires a lot of effort to create and maintain campaigns. Additionally, measuring the success of campaigns can be challenging, as success metrics are not always clear. Finally, it is essential to remember that social media marketing campaigns can be expensive, depending on the platforms used and the type of ads run. What are the disadvantages of social media management? While there are many benefits to social media management, there are also some drawbacks. One of the most significant disadvantages of social media management is that it can be time-consuming. It requires regular content creation, monitoring, and engagement, which can be tricky to take time, depending on the size of the business. Two strategies can be used together to achieve success. Social media marketing and social media management can work together to create a powerful online presence for your business. With the help of a digital marketing manager, you can plan and execute your campaigns, focusing on audience targeting, content strategy, and engagement. At the same time, a social media manager can monitor, track, and analyze the results of your campaigns and adjust tactics accordingly. The role of a social media manager. A social media manager manages a company's social media accounts. They create content, research, analyze the market, schedule posts, and engage with customers and stakeholders. Creating engagement on social platforms. Creating engagement on social media platforms is essential to the social media management and marketing process. Organic posts, influencer marketing, and targeted ads help businesses create customer relationships, build customer loyalty, and increase brand awareness. By understanding the needs of their target audience, companies can create content that resonates with them and encourages them to engage with the brand. Additionally, through analytics and metrics, companies can track their performance, adjust as needed, and measure the impact of their efforts. Social media marketing focuses on creating content that potential customers and building relationships with them will see. This includes creating organic posts, running targeted ads, and utilizing influencer marketing to reach a larger audience. Analyzing results and adjusting tactics. A social media manager needs to analyze the results of the strategy and adjust tactics as needed. With the help of analytics, the manager can gain insights into what is working and what isn't and how to optimize content for better engagement. This allows them to tailor strategies to their audience and ensure that their efforts yield the desired results. Furthermore, a social media manager will use these insights to inform their marketing strategy and adjust it as needed to maximize its effectiveness. Conclusion. In conclusion, social media marketing and management are two distinct focus areas requiring skills. Social media marketing drives conversions through content creation and ad placement, while social media management focuses on building relationships with customers and prospects. Both require understanding content strategy, analytics, and best practices for the various platforms.